Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I know all of you are new for this channel. I recently opened this channel, which is Genius Lab. In this channel, we will solve many problems related with physics, maths, chemistry, and if you want to improve how to solve the concepts related with this subject, please this is my first video. Subscribe, like, comment, share. If you have an idea, write me in the comment section. The today topic we will be able to see is this problem, how to resolve it. We solve for acceleration and tension force, and this object is moving into downward because M2 is very greater than M1. There is no friction force between M1 and M2 that is opposing the movement of this M1 object, and this object is connected with one tension forces with each other. That means tension force is the same and acceleration is the same because they are connected with one tension. Let us see the free body diagram of them. The body diagram of the M1 looks like this because the only force acting on M1 is only tension force to the right. There is no opposing force to the left for M1 only. For M2, there is weight of an object due to gravity and tension that is pulling this object upward. Let us solve for this problem. For equation, we can write tension equals to M1A. Completely, this one object is moving with as a force equal to tension because there is no opposing force to the left, which is frictional force, and this one frictionless. And for object or mass Q, weight minus tension equals to M2 acceleration. Weight equals to M2G minus T equals to M2L. Let us say this is first equation. This is in this equation we use this equation. In this equation, and instead of T we can write M1 because they are equal. M2G minus M1 is equals to M2A. So M2G is equals to, we can write from this way, we can M2A plus M1 X. We can factorize A, M2 is equals to A, M2 plus M1 over M2 plus M1 over M2 plus M1. This is cancelled by cancel, and the remaining part is only M2G over M2 plus M1. Now we cancel the value of A by putting the value of M2, MG, M2, and M1 in this equation. M2 is 10 kg equals to 10 kg times I take the value of G approximately 10 meters square over M2 is 10 kg plus 5 kg. 10 times 10 is associated equals to 10 times 10 is 100. No, we can cancel by discard these two cancels. 100 meters per second square over 50. We can get the value of this acceleration equals to 6.75 meters per second square. That means this two objectives moving with 6 accelerations 6.75 meter per square. And the next T, and at B we find the value of T. Now we get the value of A. We can put the value of A in the second equation or in this first equation. We can put one of them, T is equal to 10 1, establishing T is equal to, and R1 is 5 gram times 6.75 meter per second square. T is equal to around 33.75 meter. This is a force. This means the tension that is connected to each other, these two objectives, 33.75 meter. This is a force. And this object is moving with the same acceleration, 6.75 meter per second square. Application in this concept is this problem is when two blocks is connected by the one tension, and this force applied to these two blocks in the direction of this one. This one is theta, this one is tension, this one is tension. The value of force is equal to pressure between M1 equal to 1 gram, M2 equal to 3 kilograms M2. This object is not the x-axis, is moving in this one direction. In this equation, what we are looking for is about tension. So in this equation, let us draw the equilibrium now. This one is applied forces applying on this one object, direction of this one. There are the forces that is opposing these applied forces in this direction. One, tension. The second, other two things are the elements, and one, G, sine theta, M2. And for M2, for this is M1, sorry. For M2, only tension is acting on this one object in the direction of this one. No force is frictionless. What we are going to solve for is what is tension of this object. Is tension that is connecting this one to these two objects. So from the equation 1, M2 is equals to tension for this one. And for this equation, force minus M1 G sine theta minus tension equals to M1 F, because they are opposing each other. F force, applied force, tension, M2 G sine theta. This is right here. Instead of A, let us solve for M2A. Tension equals to M2A equals to T over M2. Let us put this equation in this place, the value of A. Force minus M1 G sine theta minus T equals to M1 times T M2. F minus M1 G sine theta equals to M1 T over M2 plus So we can say over m1 over m2 plus 1, m1 over m2 plus 1. This is answer 0.6 over m1 is 1 over 3 plus 1 plus 1 is 50 Newton minus this 100 times 100 kilogram times 0.6 times 0.6 over 3, 1 is 3 plus 1 is over 3. Yes, 50 Newton minus 50 minus 6 is 9 Newton over 4 over 3. So 9 Newton times 3 over 4 equals to 27 Newton over 4. When we divide 27 by 4, we get 6.75 Newton. This is the value of T. Okay, therefore the value of T is 6.75 Newton. For this nation that is connected to these two objects to each other is